Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create public profile on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Just simply you have to go to the privacy control and just simply you have to select your privacy at everyone. Just simply go to see my location and select at everyone, then go to view my story and select everyone, then go to contact and select everyone. Just simply you have to select everyone from all of these and just simply turn the toggle on for quick add, and then go back from here and just simply you have to go here and just simply you have to scroll it down a bit. As you can see guys, it's showing here public profile option. Just simply you have to tap on this. Now you can create your public profile from here. Just simply you have to tap on continue. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here build your public profile. Just simply tap on get started. Now as you can see guys, showing here create public profile option. By creating a public profile, you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or Snap Map. Any lens that you have made marked as searchable will also appear on your public profile. You can edit or delete your public profile at any time. Just simply tap on create, and after that your public profile will be created. Okay guys, just simply tap on create if you want to create your profile as a public. I'm not going to create it, so just simply I'm going to tap on cancel. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.